If in your Samsung there is no never option for screen timeout, so that the screen of your Samsung phone will not close until you manually close it, then let us see what to do. Now Samsung has intentionally removed the never option from the screen timeout so that the life of the battery will be increased. Also, the pixels of your OLED screen will not burn. But if you want it anyhow, then let us see some workaround that you can do. First thing is, you have to go to settings here, go to display, go to screen timeout, and there is an option here, keep screen on while viewing. That means the screen of your Samsung phone will remain open as long as you are looking at it. But this is not practical because you can't always look at the phone. So let's check for another option. Go to settings, and at the bottom there is an option here, developer options. Now if developer options is not enabled in your Samsung phone, then there are many videos in YouTube that you can check about how to enable developer options. So once it is enabled, you have to go to this developer options, and there is an option here, stay awake. Enable this option. So once you enable this option, your screen will stay awake as long as you are charging your phone. But this option also might not be practical because you can't always charge the phone. So in that case, what you can do is, we can use the third option, and that is by installing a third-party app called Caffeine. Go to Play Store, go to search, look for Caffeine application. Open it, tap on it, and install the app. So once it is installed, open the application, select OK. There is an option here, timeout. Make sure to select infinite. After that, go down, go to ignore battery optimization, and from here we have to look for Caffeine. Open the app, select unrestricted, and then close it. After that, you have to open the notification panel, tap on this edit icon here, select edit, and then you have to swipe this screen to the left. You will see the Caffeine application, tap on it so that it will be included in this list. After that, done, and then done. Now once you finish it, pull down this notification panel and enable this option, Caffeine. Enable allow permission, go back, open the notification panel again, pull it down, and then enable Caffeine again. So once you enable this application, and as long as this app will be enabled in this notification panel, your screen will always remain awake.